It's our cheerleaders in there.
What did you see in there?
Cheerleaders.
What do you think about cheerleaders?
I saw cheerleaders, both of them with blonde hair.
With blonde hair, what did you think about that?
Yeah, pretty.
They're pretty? Why are they pretty?
Because they both have long hair.
Yeah.
No, because they both have blonde hair.
Oh, okay.
Mommy,
What, baby?
this is where these knives go. On the book like those knives, right there.
Okay. What did Mateo have done today?
I don't know.
Why did he get an ouchie?
Because he had a boo-boo.
He did. That's ouchie.